presenting the Dodge 2015 Charger SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are popular equipment group, quick order package 29 grams, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Uconnect 5.0, Spectrum satellite radio, air conditioning, front dual zone AC and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.